Hi guys, what are your favorite pickles? Mine are definitely dill pickles and beetroot. If you are a beginner or trying out a new recipe, I recommend starting with smaller quantities. I've used just one 3-liter basket of cucumbers to make these 3 1-liter bottles of pickles. Make sure to wash your cucumbers first. Trim off the blossom end of the cucumber. Dissolve 1/4 cup of salt in 2.5 liters of water. Soak the cucumbers for 12 hours. You will also need a few dill heads. I am salvaging the remaining dill from our garden. Add some coriander seeds to the jars as well. I also added 2 garlic cloves per each jar. Use dried red chilli only if you like your pickles spiced up. Add 1 bay leaf and a few peppercorns. Some fresh water for the brine. Measure the vinegar and add to the water. Add in the pickling salt, sugar and mix until dissolved and boiling. Place your cucumbers on top of the spices. I am using 1-liter jars here. I even wedged in 1 cucumber at the top to keep the others from floating. The salt and sugar have now dissolved in the hot brine. Let's start filling the jars. Leave 1/2 inch of headspace. Wipe off the rims. Take out the hot lid and seal the jars. Transfer the jars into the canner and wait for the boiling to resume. Then set your timer to 15 minutes. Take the jars out now and let them cool down. Now for the second recipe. Get a 3-liter basket of beetroot. Sort your beetroots based on size and cook them for 30 minutes. Start with the bigger beets, adding in the smaller ones in batches after 5 minutes. Drain and discard liquid. Let the beets cool down. Peel them. For the brine, combine vinegar and water. Add some sugar, salt and start to boil. Mix while heating up until fully dissolved. Add a stick of cinnamon and some cloves. Slice some onions into thin rings and slice the beets into 1/4 inch slices. Add to the brine together with the beets and simmer 5 minutes. Remove the spices. Start filling up your hot jars.
Wow, that vinegar is strong.
Leave 1/2 inch of headspace. Remove air bubbles and adjust headspace if needed. Consider the size of your jar's opening before cutting the beetroot, as some pieces might not squeeze through easily. Boil for 30 minutes in the canner. Take them out and let them cool. I hope you like these recipes. Let me know in the comments if you have tried making them. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you like this content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.